You remember me from Harmonia Residence, where we turned that vision into reality together. And now, I'm at Villanova. This is Villanova, Ghana's first AI villa community. From foundations rising to living spaces taking shape, Villanova is alive and growing. And just like Harmonia Residence, we are tracking every detail until the very end. Hello, Engineer Bright.
Hi, Madam Ushofa.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you too?
I'm very fine, thank you.
Okay, that's fine.
So can you please walk us through the updates for this month?
Okay, that's good. Currently, you can see we have started with the block work for 201. And the MEP works, first fix for the plumbing one, we are also doing it. So currently, you can see at the gate, we have started with the footing for the pedestrian way. And we have a new zone for another villa, that's 102, 3, and 4. We are done with the blinding, so we have started with the formwork to the column base.
Oh, okay. All right, that's good to know. So should we expect to see block work on the first floor the next time we come on site?
The next time you come, we'll start with the block works and probably the MEP first and the second fix.
Okay, all right, that's good to know. Thanks so much for this update.
You are welcome.
From Harmonia to Villanova, the story continues. Villanova isn't just under construction, it is rising with each corner built for your comfort. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media platforms. See you in our next update.